one of the smallest film cameras in the world. This is my Christmas gift to myself. This is the Fujifilm Tiara, one of the smallest film cameras in the world. I have been searching for this camera for years now, and I finally saw it in person at a film store called Film Drugs in Vietnam. But I remember thinking, nope, not today. It was way out of budget. This camera is a bit hard to find, especially in good condition. So the prices are all over the place. And I already have my Olympus Muse. I've had this for years now and I'm happy with it. I didn't need another film point and shoot camera. Until one night I was scrolling through Carousel, I searched for the word film camera and this thing popped out. It was in good condition for a good price. I was like, you know what? It's the holidays. Deserve ko to. Sarap. The Fujifilm Tiara is from the mid to late 90s, so it's almost 30 years old. Super tiny, aluminum body, really lightweight. Comparing it to the Olympus Muse, it's definitely smaller, but the Olympus Muse is definitely way more ergonomic. It has a 28mm lens, autofocus, auto exposure, but as a solo traveler, what I'm most excited about is that I finally have a film camera that has a self-timer option. I haven't shot with this camera yet, so I'm really excited to try it out during the holidays and on my next trip. Smile!